Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel flight Wizz Air. I'll also explain what happens to your payments, where to check the cancellation charges, and what you should review before confirming your request. Before we begin, remember that a standard Wizz Air ticket is not automatically fully refundable. You can still cancel the booking, but Wizz Air will deduct cancellation charges. Depending on the original ticket price and the applicable fees, you may receive only a small refund, or no refund at all. This is why it is important to review the refund calculation carefully before completing the cancellation. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open your internet browser and visit the official Wizz Air website. To avoid fake websites or unofficial booking services, make sure you are using the correct Wizz Air website before entering your account or payment information. You can also use the Wizz Air mobile app, but the available buttons may appear in slightly different positions. The wording of some options may also be different depending on your device, app version, or location, but the basic cancellation process should be similar. Click the Sign In button near the top of the website. On a mobile device, you may need to open the main menu before you can see the Sign In option. Enter the email address and password connected to your Wizz Air account, and then select Sign In. If you cannot remember your password, use the password reset option and follow the instructions sent to your email address. Make sure you sign into the account that was used to make the booking. If you use a different account, the flight may not appear in your booking list. After signing in, open your account and look for the Check-in and Bookings section. This section contains your active and upcoming reservations. Find the flight you want to cancel and click Show Details underneath the booking. If you have several upcoming flights, check the destination, departure date, and booking confirmation code so that you do not open the wrong reservation. This will open the booking overview page, where you can see your flight information, passengers, and purchased services. Take a moment to confirm the departure airport, arrival airport, and travel date before continuing. On the booking overview page, look toward the right side of the screen and click Flight Change Cancel. On smaller screens, you may need to scroll down or open an additional booking management menu to find this option. A menu containing the available booking management options should appear. These options may include changing the flight, changing passenger details, adding services, or canceling the reservation. Select Flight Cancel or the cancellation option displayed on your screen. Do not select the flight change option unless you are planning to move the booking to another date or route. Wizz Air will ask you to choose which flight or flights you want to cancel. Review every selected flight carefully, especially when the booking includes several journeys. For a return booking, check carefully whether you are canceling only the outbound flight, only the return flight, or the entire booking. For example, if you have already used your outbound journey, you may only need to cancel the unused return flight. Do not select both flights unless you want the complete journey canceled. Canceling the wrong part of the booking could affect your remaining travel plans. You may also be asked to select the passengers affected by the cancellation. Check each passenger's name carefully before continuing. This is particularly important for family or group bookings because you may be able to cancel the journey for certain passengers while keeping the booking active for others. Wizz Air will calculate the cancellation charges and show you the estimated refundable amount. This calculation gives you an opportunity to review the financial result before making the cancellation final. Because this booking does not include Wizz Flex, a cancellation fee will be deducted. Wizz Flex normally provides more flexibility for voluntary changes and cancellations, but without it, the standard booking rules and charges apply. When more than 14 days remain before departure, the cancellation fee can normally range from 30 to 120 euros per passenger for each flight. The amount may depend on the route, timing, fare, and conditions attached to your reservation. When fewer than 14 days remain, Wizz Air may deduct a seat protection fee ranging from 50 to 150 euros per passenger for each flight. Canceling close to the departure date may therefore leave you with a lower refundable amount. Other services and optional extras may also affect the final refund. These can include baggage, seat selection, priority boarding, airport services, or other products added to the booking. Some extras may be treated differently from the basic flight fare. The exact amount depends on your booking, so always rely on the calculation displayed on the cancellation page. Fees and refund conditions can vary, which means another passenger may receive a different result even when canceling a similar flight. Before confirming, compare the refundable amount with the value of your booking. Look at the original amount paid, the total cancellation charges, and the final amount Wizz Air says you will receive. For inexpensive tickets, the cancellation charges may be equal to or greater than the amount you originally paid. In that situation, the refund shown may be zero. For example, if your ticket costs less than the cancellation fee, there may be no remaining balance to return. You do not have to continue if the refund is too low. You can leave the cancellation page without confirming it. Simply closing the page or returning to the booking overview should not cancel the flight, as long as you have not clicked the final confirmation button. You may also want to check the cost of changing the flight instead. In some cases, changing the date may be a better option, although a change fee and any fare difference can still apply. For example, if you still plan to travel later, moving the flight could provide more value than canceling it for little or no refund. When you are satisfied with the details, read the cancellation summary carefully. This page usually gives you one final chance to check the request before it is submitted. Make sure the correct flight and passengers have been selected. Also, confirm whether you are canceling a one-way flight, one part of a return journey, or the complete reservation. Then click Confirm Cancellation. The button may use slightly different wording, but it should clearly indicate that you are submitting or finalizing the cancellation. Do not press this button until you are certain, because a completed cancellation may not be reversible. If you change your mind later, you may need to purchase a completely new ticket at the current price. After submitting the request, Wizz Air should display a confirmation message. Do not close the page immediately, as the message may contain important information about your refund or account credit. You may also receive a cancellation confirmation by email. Check your inbox, spam folder, and promotions folder if the message does not arrive shortly after the cancellation. Save the email or take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. This can be useful if you need to contact customer support or prove that the booking was canceled successfully. The confirmation should contain information about the canceled flight and any refund or credit due. It may also explain where the refund will be sent and how long the process is expected to take. Sign in to your Wizz Air account and check whether the refund or credit appears in your account. Remember that an account credit and a refund to your original payment method are not always the same, so check which option applies to your cancellation. The method and processing details should be shown during or after the cancellation process. Refund timing can depend on the payment method, bank, and type of refund offered. If the refund does not appear within the stated processing period, visit the Wizz Air Help Center and contact customer support through live chat or the available contact options. Keep your booking confirmation code, passenger name, cancellation date, and any screenshots ready so the support agent can review the issue more quickly. Important things to remember. You can normally cancel a Wizz Air booking online until 3 hours before the scheduled departure. However, it is better not to leave the process until the last moment, because account, website, or payment issues could cause delays. The charges are normally calculated per passenger and per flight, not just once for the entire booking. This means that the total cost can increase significantly when a reservation includes several passengers or multiple flight segments. The refundable amount may be very small if your original ticket was inexpensive. In some cases, keeping the reservation or checking the flight change cost may make more financial sense. Always review the amount shown on the screen before confirming the cancellation. The final calculation displayed for your booking is more useful than relying on a general example or fee estimate. And that's how you can cancel flight Wizz Air. The most important step is to review the selected passengers, flights, cancellation charges, and refundable amount before clicking the final confirmation button.